to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. And for today's video, I am going to be doing something a little bit different. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And I just got home, picked my husband up from the airport. And he brought me a gift bag. Now, I do know what it is. But I wanted to go ahead and do the boxing on camera with you guys. Now, the box did come in this Louis Vuitton bag right here, and that's a big bag. What my husband had to do was he got this in St. Thomas at the Louis Vuitton store. He had to have them to put it in a smaller box because the box that he was given, for some odd reason, I'm sorry, I keep feeling something in my eye right here. So he had to have them to put it into a smaller box for him because he was traveling back to Atlanta. And this is the box right here with the red Christmas ribbon that is on it. And let me go ahead and do this unboxing for you. And before my camera dies too, because I didn't have time to charge my battery on my camera because I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing. So I'm doing this on my cell phone, and I hope that you can see. And I'm opening up the box. It does have a flap in the front. And let me pull it out. This is the bag right here. Now, I do know that one person may know what this is because I had some questions about it, and I had been watching it on her YouTube channel, and that is Zola Solis. And let me go ahead and take it out the dust bag. Okay. And here is the receipt right here. It came, you know, I'm not going to show you because it will have this information on here, but yeah, I know everybody likes to see the receipt. So let's get into it. And this is the bag right here. It is it's a damier bean print, and it is the Neverfull in the MM size. Okay, I did not want to get the PM size because that would have been too big, and I didn't want to get the GM size because that would have definitely been too big. But yeah, and let me go ahead and open this. Okay, and on the inside, it does have the rose ballerine pink inside because everybody knows that I love pink. And it does have the pouch that does come with this, which I'm so happy because everybody has these pouches. And I really wanted one, and I'm glad that it came in here. Well, you already know. And it does detaches. Let me see if I can detach it. Okay. And like I said, it is in the rose ballerine. Okay. As you can see on the inside. And it does have a pocket, a slip pocket right here. Okay. And it does have, let me see, it does have Louis Vuitton on here, and it was made in France. Okay, so yeah, it was made in France. That's the first thing I think everybody looks for. I am really loving this bag right here. I am really loving it. I am definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. I know I'm trying to get it to where the sides do stick out. It does not have any feet because everyone knows that depending on the bag, Louis Vuitton does not have feet on the bottom. And this is going to be absolutely perfect for me. Okay. When I don't feel like carrying well, it is a bigger bag, but on me it fits perfectly. When I just want a bag, when I just want to throw stuff in, then it'll be absolutely perfect for me. But I wanted to go ahead and bring you this video. Now, as far as the dates and everything goes, that I don't know how to look for that, but on the inside as well, it does have a zipper pocket. Okay, and it does have a zipper pocket right here, and as you can see, it does, you know, it's not sewn into the bag, but yeah. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. And you know what I like about this too is that even though the D-ring is right here on this side, because it does have the clasp, I can, let me see. If you can see, there's a clasp right here, and there is a D-ring right here, or an O-ring right here. So this is the front of the bag, and the one that I just showed you is right here on the side. If I wanted to, I can clip this in right here or right here. Yeah, and that's what I really like, that I can clip this 3 different ways. Oh, that is really cool. Okay, and it does have a clasper right here that does open, if you can see it. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm trying to do this in my, okay, you see that right? I don't know if you can see it. It does open right there like this one does. So if I needed to attach anything on the right here, I most certainly can. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you my new Christmas gift. I have seen a lot of videos on this, and I am really just, I've always been in love with this bag, but instead of getting this bag, I had gotten the Kingston instead. So what I'll do is I will come back with another video to show you what does fit inside of here. Well, what I have that will fit inside of here. And yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and bring you this unboxing just to show you what I wanted for Christmas. And I'm so happy right now. I'm just so happy. I think Lux of Paris has one. Yes, I think she does. Lux of Paris, Zola Solis. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think of who else has one. I can't even think right now. But yeah, go over to Lux of Paris, her channel. She has, ooh, beautiful luxury items. Go over to Zola Solis channel. She definitely have plenty of reviews and videos on this bag right here. And I think Sheree Lewis has this bag right here. I'm trying to think, but yeah, you hear my grandkids. But let me go ahead and end this video, and if you want to go over to, and I think Madam MM and Lux Collection 85, I think they may have one too. But please correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that I am. But go over to those women channels, because like I said, they do have luxury items on their channels. And I think Flow in the City. But what I'll do is I'll link their channels in the description box below. So you can go over to their channels if you're interested in luxury items. And it's one more person I want to name. Oh, Dre Lux TV. Okay, definitely, I know she has one. So go over to those channels, and what I'll do is I'll link them in the description box below. Usually I'm more planned out than this, but I didn't have time. I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing. If I forgot anybody, I do apologize. But if you are interested in luxury handbags, please go over to one of those ladies' channels. And if you're interested in luxury items, so go over to their channels, and I'll link their channels below. They'll probably be like, Pam. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to do this in a rush, and I'm just rushing. Okay. Um, if I left anyone out, I do apologize. I, I'm just happy to have this right now. Again, my name is Diamond76 Home Decor on a Budget. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you. I really appreciate that. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and sorry for butchering the video.